Hey signers, sign with me in today's video as we learn how to sign basic needs signs, and it's beginners friendly. It's an essential sign for our everyday basic needs. So let's get started. So we are going to be breaking down these signs into different categories. So we are going to begin with the daily essential signs for items, for personal care, organization, and our daily routine. Key. Now you place your hand this way, your hands this way, and do this for key. ID. Now you just finger spell I and D. So ID. License. Wallet or wallet. Now the idea is we open this way for wallet. So wallet. Purse or bag. Now think of these as you're holding the strap of your purse or bag. Purse or bag. Backpack. Now think of these as holding the strap of your backpack. So backpack. Clothes. Your flat hands this way from the upper body downward for clothes. Shoes. Now your S sign this way, coming together this way for shoes. Socks. Now think of these as you're lying on the socks and you're trying to pull it off. Socks. Hat. Now we are doing this because we place our hats on our head. So this is the position where it rests. So hat. Scarf. Now think of this as flipping the scarf around your neck. Scarf. Cap. Now this is for our baseball cap or face cap, whichever one you understand. Cap. Gloves. Now think of these as putting on the gloves. Marks. Your index finger and your little finger, using both hands, pulling out from the upper part of your nose and the down part of your mouth to your ear for marks. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Either ways, this is for toothbrush. So now we are going to add paste to it. So toothpaste. Soap. Now think of this as a soap in your hands and you're using it. Soap. Hand sanitizer or hand sanitizer. Now think of this as you're pressing it down and rubbing your hands, or you're squeezing it and rubbing your hands. So hand sanitizer. Shampoo. Now think of this as the action you do when washing your hair serves as shampoo. Tissue paper. This is the sign for cold and paper all together. So tissue paper. Medicine. medicine, vitamins, vitamins, vitamins. Now a waving V for vitamin. This is your sign V, so you wave it for vitamin. So vitamins. Band-aid, band-aid. Now bandage or band-aid, it's the same. Band-aid. Thermometer or thermometer. Now this is the sign for measure, so you can either do thermometer this way or this way. Thermometer, thermometer. Glasses, glasses. It could be glasses, it could be glasses or glasses, whichever way, they are all glasses. Glasses, glasses, glasses or glasses. Sun glasses, sun glasses. You could be SUN glasses. You could finger spell the sun, then glasses, or you could either do this and glasses, or glasses, or glasses, whichever way. So let's put some of these signs into sentences. Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? Your shoes? Where? Don't forget your backpack. Don't forget your backpack. Backpack forgets you. Backpack, don't forget you. So remember, we are doing don't forget with the negation to show you don't forget it. So don't forget you. Backpack, don't forget you. Oh no, my glasses are broken. Oh no, my glasses broken. Oh no, glasses broken. So our next category is going to be on signs of communications, technology, and money. Book, book. Now this is to open this way for book. Book, book. It could either be close the book or open the book. So book, prints on it. So newspaper. Notebook, notebook. This is to write, and book, so notebook. Pen, pen. Now we are finger spelling that. We are finger spelling that as PEN, as pen. So PEN, pen. Pencil, pencil. Now think of this as the pencil you put in your mouth or you touch your mouth before you write. So pencil, pencil. Money, 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 money. Credit card, credit card, credit card. Debit card. Now for debit card, it's same as credit card, but this time around we are adding debit to the end to show the difference. So our next category is going to be on the basic needs, your basic needs, and this category covers your food, hydration, and other miscellaneous items that support everyday life. Water, water. Now your W sign placed around your mouth this way and wave back and forth for water. Water, water. Candy, candy, candy. Gum, 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 gum. Food, eat. Now this sign, there are two different placements. So this is food. Now food comes twice as food, while eat comes just once this way. So food, eat. Food, eat. Coffee, coffee. Now think of this as grinding the seed. Coffee, coffee. Tea, tea, tea. Now think of this as stirring in the tea bag. Tea, tea. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Now think of this as the action you do before you open up your umbrella. So umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Blanket, blanket. Now think of this as pulling the blanket from your legs down to the upper part of your body. Blanket, blanket. Pillow, pillow, pillow. Now think of this as the C, you make a C sign placed around your head, as around your head this way, and think of this as you feeling your pillows. Pillow, pillow. So let's put the signs into sentences. Do you have any gum? Gum. Have you? Gum. Have you? Great job, signers. It's in fact a very big congratulations to you, because I know that you have learned to sign today. So please, if you're finding it difficult to follow up, you can pause and learn the signs. Remember, practice makes perfect. And if you are in need of any sign and there's any sign that you want to know, please put it on the comment section, and also practice with me in the next lesson. And in no time, you'll be a great signer. Until next time, keep signing with me.